Okay guys, this is the Angry Prepper. Today's video is going to be on my fire pouch. A more in-depth look on what I carry in my fire pouch. Now, this pouch stays usually 98% of the times it's in my cargo pants pocket. The other 2%, sometimes I just throw it in my pack, right? So I do have multiple pouches, right? This is my main fire pouch. I do have a fire pouch on my bushcraft belt. I keep a small fire starting kit in my bag, right? It's a little overboard, but better safe than be sorry, right? So let's get into what's inside the pouch. Okay, first and foremost, as you see, it's a leather satchel, right? A little small leather satchel. I think this is to carry like marbles or something, but I'm using this for my fire tools, right? My fire start making tools. Sorry. So, not sure where I got the pouch from. I think I got it from Amazon, but I'll confirm that when I get home. So first and foremost, my fire rod, ferro rod. Sorry. Now my ferro rod. When I first started getting into this whole bushcraft and camping, I had a small 3-inch ferro rod, right? So I thought I was in business starting fires with it. I go to Dave Canterbury School, and they pretty much laughed at me when they saw me pull out my 3-inch fire rod, right? Ferro rod, sorry. They explained to me why I needed something bigger. It was because you throw more material on whatever you're trying to start, and you catch fires faster. That made all the sense in the world, especially after I started doing better in the fire making courses once I had the six-inch ferro rod, right? So if you're still running around with one of the smaller ones, get yourself a 6-inch ferro rod. Try not to go bigger than that. I've seen bigger ones and they're garbage. So stick with this, and this one is by, man, I think this is by Bayer or something like that. I'll have the link in the description below, and I'll have the correct name on the screen. Right? I always carry extra horseshoe fungus with me. These are magnifying glasses. I have 2. Why do I have 2? Well, I was given one, so now I run around with 2. Is it necessary to have 2? No, you can have 1. Fatwood, as you can see, I've been shaving at it or cutting at it. Lighter. Now, lighters are for emergencies. I don't use this lighter unless I absolutely have to, unless my hands are cold. I can't get my hands to function correctly with the ferro rod or bow drill, right? Which my bow drill skills are not good at all. I'm still practicing, but I use this when it's just too cold. All right. Of course, if it's too windy, it's going to present a problem, and we got to block the wind and everything else. But I use this for emergencies. This is my Inferno brick. I did a video on how to make these. I use this also for emergencies, right? So I'll cut a piece off, put my fire starting bundle together like this, and then there you go. These last a long while too, right? I think I made this one about 2 years ago. I have a bunch of these I made about 2 years ago, and I still use them. They come in handy. If you're really in a bad emergency, you would use the whole brick, not just a piece of it. Flint and steel, right? This is by Wolf Creek Forge. This is possibly one of the best steels I've got in the flint and steel category, right? I always get a spark. I have no problem starting a fire with this steel. Maybe I'm a little biased, but it's fine. It gets me through in the outdoors. And like I said, I think it's one of the best steels made so far. So, all right, guys, this is my in-depth look to my fire pouch. I know I went over this, I think, in one of my earlier videos. but I'm going over it again as a separate standalone video. Alright guys, this is The Angry Prepper. Thank you for watching. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, Google+, and Twitter. You can also watch me on my second channel, or my first channel, The Angry Prepper Urban Channel. And you can also listen to me on podcast as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching.